I'm gonna show you how you can pay less with YouTube TV. Most obvious option is to become a new user, right? When you get a new user, you'll get to try free 5 days for $0, and then you'll have to pay $70 for your first 6 months, and then after that you'll have to pay the normal $82, right? So when you first become a user, you'll get a pretty good grace period first, right? So you get 5 days for free, and then you'll just have to pay $70 instead of the normal $82 for the next couple of periods of time, right? And up until your 6 months, and then after that you'll have to pay normally, right? But the other method you can try instead of becoming a new user. So if you want to become a new user, just tap on the blue button, try 5 days for free, pick your Google account here, right? And then after that, you just have to subscribe, right? But after that, if you don't want to pay more, there's a couple of tricks you can try. First off, a retention offer. Basically, when you go to unsubscribe to your YouTube TV plan, YouTube might offer you a lower price to get you to stay on the subscription, right? So if you get a retention offer, just try to cancel your YouTube TV plan, and then if you get a retention offer, to take it, right? After that, you can also try changing your payment method. Some payment method offer you a couple of deals and cashback if you want. And then if that doesn't work, you can also try to refer and earn. If you refer YouTube TV, you'll get $45 next off your next month's plan. So you can pay even less. That's almost 50% off, right? So that's a couple of methods I could show you: becoming a new customer, getting a retention offer, changing your payment methods, or referring and earning.